Hello, kids. Welcome to MGR Play School. Hope you all doing good. Today, I came up with the topic Learning Cooking Ingredients. Cooking ingredients play essential roles in life, not only in terms of providing sustenance, but also in contributing to our health, culture, and overall well-being. Here are some cooking ingredients in our daily uses. Rice. R-I-C-E. Rice. Eggs. E-G-G-S. Eggs. Oil. O-I-L. Oil. Spices. S-P-I-C-E-S. Spices. Butter. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butter. Ketchup. K-E-T-C-H-U-P. Ketchup. Sugar. S-U-G-A-R. Sugar. Mayonnaise. M-A-Y-O-N-N-A-I-S-E. Mayonnaise.
Flour. F-L-O-U-R. Flour. Bread. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. Salt. S-A-L-T. Salt. Pepper. P-E-P-P-E-R. Pepper. Groundnut. 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 Masoor dal. Masoordal. Masoor dal. Tur dal. Toordal. Tur dal. Moong dal. Moongdal. Moong dal. Vanilla essence. Vanilla essence. Vanilla essence. Dairy food. D-A-I-R-Y-F-O-O-D. Dairy food. Pasta. P-A-S-T-A. Pasta. Meat. M-E-A-T. Meat. Ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Green pea. G-R-E-E-N-P-E-A. Green pea. Broccoli. B-R-O-C-O-L-I. Broccoli. Capsicum. C-A-P-S-I-C-U-M. Capsicum. Spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. Beans. B-E-A-N-S. Beans. Bitter gourd. B-I-T-T-E-R-G-O-U-R-D. Bitter gourd. Bottle gourd. B-O-T-T-L E G O U R D. Bottle gourd. Cabbage. C A B B A G E. Cabbage. Green chilli. G R E E N C H I L L I. Green chilli. Red chilli. R E D C H I L L I. Red chilli. Brinjal. B R I N J A L. Brinjal. Curry leaves. C U R R Y L E A V E S. Curry leaves. Coriander leaves. C O R I A N D E R L E A V E S. Coriander leaves. Coriander. C O R I A N D E R. Coriander. Mint leaves. M I N T L E A V E S. Mint leaves. Garlic. G A R L I C. Garlic. Ginger. G I N G E R. Ginger. Coffee powder. C O F F E E P P O W D E R. Coffee powder. Tea powder. T E A P O W D E R. Tea powder. Corn. C O R N. Corn. Mushroom. M U S H R O O M. Mushroom.